Hello, my name is Steve Dixon, Senior Media Instructor here at WHYY. In this video, we will be talking about the different types of microphones and what each one is best suited for. There are many kinds of microphones out there, but the one that is best for your shoot depends entirely on what you are recording. Let's begin with the standard built-in microphone. Most video cameras contain a built-in microphone that allows you to capture audio for your video. The microphone is omnidirectional, which means it picks up sound all around the camera, from the front to the back. This audio recording method is best for picking up ambient sounds, like a standing ovation at a recital or the madness of the rush hour traffic. However, it is not the best option for recording individual sounds or dialogue. For these, you would need an external microphone. The most commonly used external microphones include handheld, lavalier, and shotgun mics. Although all are great for recording interviews or any form of dialogue, each one serves a different purpose, and handheld mics are great for when you're in the field. You can record on-the-spot interviews or perform news stand-ups. This is the go-to microphone for any reporter due to its sturdiness and affordability. Lavalier microphones, on the other hand, give speakers the ability to walk around or use their hands freely while talking. Lav mics are also great for sit-down interviews. This tiny mic comes with a clip that you can attach to your subject. But make sure to hide the wires if you're using lavs. Give yourself enough time to set up. And for the best sound quality, make sure nothing interferes with the microphone, like your subject's hair or jewelry. The downside of using lavaliers is it only records one person's voice. To pick up sound from multiple people at once, a shotgun microphone is your go-to. Shotgun microphones are great for shooting narratives like commercials, documentaries, or films. These microphones are considered cardioids. Cardioids pick up sound where they are aimed, but reject sounds to the side and rear. You can place a shotgun mic on top of most cameras using its mount or utilizing a boom pole. For the best sound quality, you can use a windscreen to limit unwanted noise during your production.